How to use Student Alumni Career Connect, also known as SAC. Building a professional network at Rutgers is very important. Student Alumni Career Connect is an online database of alumni willing to provide career advice. Alumni want to help you out and are one of the best resources for connecting with potential employers. For the purpose of this video, we are already logged into our student account and are starting from the homepage of Rutgers University Handshake. You can find SAC in Resources under the Career Center tab. Then, click on Student Alumni Career Connect and scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Access SAC. You will need to sign in to the SAC website with your NetID. If you have not logged in before, you will be prompted to set up an account. After you set up an account, the SAC homepage will appear. For the purpose of this video, we are already logged into the SAC website with our Rutgers ID. You'll see different options on your dashboard, such as networking, career clusters, and invite classmates. Networking is where you can search for alumni who are similar to you and your interests. You have the ability to connect with them and ask any questions you may have. You can search by keywords, location, majors, and industries. You can also click on alumni profiles and have the ability to connect with them and ask them any questions you may have. You can connect with them by clicking on the green button on their profile labeled Let's Connect. In their profile, you'll be able to see each alumni's experience, education, and type of help they are willing to offer, such as resume help, choosing a major, networking, work-life balance advice, and type of industry. You can also request a meeting with them under the Let's Connect button, or simply just send a message. For this example, we will select Request a Meeting. You can then select the suggested reason for the meeting. The topics marked with the blue ribbon indicates the alumni is willing to help with these topics. Once your topic is selected, hit Next, and you will click on your preferred method of communication: online video call, phone call, or an in-person meeting. The alumni will receive a notification that you have requested a meeting with the date and time, and an email will be sent to you if the alumni accepts. Going back to the homepage, another useful resource is career clusters, which are discussion groups where people of similar backgrounds can post questions and other alumni can answer them with their advice. Think of this as a Facebook group where you can join groups of your interest and post questions where people can reply. Going back to the homepage, there is a tab labeled Invite Classmates, where you can send referral links to your friends to join SAC. SMLR Career Services offers a career matching program with SAC where you can join the program to be paired with an alumni who will provide career mentorship to you throughout the year. Click on Programs to view the overview of the SMLR Career Connect Mentorship Program.